Welcome back to the new podcast series. It's Kelsey Kors with Sweetfish Media. Today, let's talk about banking, or really how banking has changed. Consumers now make purchase decisions long before they walk into a physical branch location, if they walk into a branch at all. This cannot be more true in today's day and age, and that's where banking on digital growth comes in. The host of this podcast is James Robert Lay, and he talks about gaining practical insight for financial brand marketing and sales leaders. He also talks about his college band and how the girl who said his band wasn't good later became his wife. And if you think you'll find the show valuable after you check out this quick snippet, just search Banking on Digital Growth in Apple Podcasts or your favorite podcast player. Okay, here's the snippet from James Roberts' very first episode of Banking on Digital Growth.
If you're part of a financial brand marketing team, a sales team, a leadership team, you know that this entire industry is being really transformed by new technologies. And that is happening at a much more rapid pace than ever before. We're seeing that change happening on the competition side. We're seeing this really on the consumer side as well. Consumers are making purchase decisions long before they walk into a physical branch location, if they walk into a branch location at all. And then on the competition side, we're seeing mobile banks, we're seeing digital lenders, we're seeing fintechs really breaking free from the traditional growth models where the majority of banks and credit unions have lived, which is the legacy broadcast marketing or branch sales channels. And so my goal with this podcast is to just transfer the research and insights that we've been doing and will continue to do. We're going to be sharing practical insights, proven ideas, things that actually work, not just pie in the sky theory, and really just inspiring stories from those who have achieved digital growth. And it's really about inspiration for those who are looking to make progress on their own digital growth journeys. It's education, it's empowerment, and it's ultimately generating 10 times more loans and deposits through those insights. Because as a result, and really this is the most important part of why we do what we do here, it's to elevate this entire industry beyond the commoditized promotion of great rates and amazing services. I feel that financial brands who commit to a pathway of digital growth and the methods that we teach, not only will generate 10 times more loans and deposits, but they're going to guide 10 times more people in the communities that they serve beyond the financial stress that's taking a toll on their health, their well-being, their overall sense of relationships, and help those people in the communities that they serve get to a bigger, better, and ultimately a brighter future.
This podcast is going to really empower financial brand marketing, sales, and leadership teams. There will also be 4 series in this podcast. The series are Inside Digital Growth, By the Book, Digital Growth Journeys, and Exponential Insights. You'll be able to find all of those in the podcast player. Again, to find the show, just search Banking on Digital Growth in Apple Podcasts or wherever you do your listening. Subscribe, leave a review if you like it, and don't forget to tell a friend if you think they'd enjoy it. Okay, everyone, do good and be well.
I hate it when podcasts incessantly ask their listeners for reviews, but I get why they do it, because reviews are enormously helpful when you're trying to grow a podcast audience. So here's what we decided to do. If you leave a review for B2B Growth in Apple Podcasts and email me a screenshot of the review to james@sweetfishmedia.com, I'll send you a signed copy of my new book, Content-Based Networking, How to Instantly Connect with Anyone You Want to Know. We get a review, you get a free book. We both win.